Duplicate Facebook pages are a real problem. One page holds older branding. Another one is getting the latest engagement. Your followers are split between them. And your brand ends up looking disorganized. If two pages represent the same business, the same creator, or the same organization, Meta lets you request a merge. But not every page qualifies. This guide is for pages that represent the same thing. It is not for combining unrelated brands or businesses into one page. That is not what the merge tool is for, and trying it that way will fail. The most important rule is full control. Admin-style access is not enough. If you do not have full control of both pages, the merge option may not appear at all. Many people spend time inside settings menus before realizing their real problem is access. Fix access first. Next, align the page identity. The page names should be similar. If your business has a physical location, the address details should line up. Meta uses these signals to decide whether the two pages really represent the same entity. The cleanest way to prepare is to standardize both pages before you attempt the merge. Update the brand spelling. Fix the business name format. Confirm the category. Review the contact details. If one page still shows an older identity or incomplete information, correct it first. Once both pages are ready, the workflow is simple on paper. Switch into the page profile you want to manage. Open Settings. Look for the merge flow. Choose the duplicate page. Review the request carefully. Then submit. Meta menus change over time, so the exact wording may be different on your screen. Focus on the intent of each step, not the exact label. And it is almost always easier to do this on desktop. Mobile can work, but desktop gives you more room to compare settings and troubleshoot. If the merge option does not appear, there are usually 3 reasons. First, you do not actually have full control of both pages. Second, Meta does not see the pages as the same entity. Third, the names or business details are still too different to qualify. If someone else controls one of the pages, ask them to grant the proper level of access before anything else. If one page sits under a different business setup, clean up ownership and permissions first. The smartest order is this. Fix access. Align identity. Submit the merge request. That sequence gives you the best chance of success and helps you avoid repeated failed attempts. For more practical tech guides, follow and subscribe.